Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. This is your host Bharat, and today we're going to be checking out the bigger brother of the Crystal series. I had a Crystal series cabinet and upgraded to the 680X RGB from Corsair. So let's check this out. If you're new to Tech Matrix, this is Bharat and we unbox, review and do plenty of giveaways on anything tech. So subscribe and hit that bell icon to get notified for all the new videos and giveaways. First off, thanks to Corsair for sending me this review unit. You can check out a range of PC components, power supplies, cabinets, headphones and a lot more at corsair.com. I'll leave some links in the description for you to check. I've also completed a build on this, so check the links on the top right. Once the video is ready, I'll put it up there. The 680X RGB costs us 21,899 INR for India or $249 for the rest of the world. The cost is pretty high for India owing to all the import duties and so on. But the packaging is just perfect. It comes in a cardboard box, opening which you get the thermocol padding to keep the case without a scratch. Inside you also get some manuals and this box which has necessary screws and zip tags in the HDD bay. The case is quite large at 423mm in length, 344mm in width and 505mm in height. But not light as it weighs close to 11.5 kilograms. This case is made of metal internal frame and external plastic and also tempered glass. The case is covered with tempered glass on the main side panel and the front and also on the top, which is of super quality with chamfered edges. But keep in mind, if you damage the panels, you may need to buy a new case, as I don't see any side panels currently available online yet. The main panel is a large glass which is on a door hinge which opens up like shown here and has magnets to lock in place once closed. And also, if need be, you can remove them completely when you are installing or for any maintenance by unscrewing the thread here on top, and the door comes off the unit like this, which is a nice addition. The front tempered glass panel is offset from the case to allow airflow from the sides here, and this is where the intake is. You can access the front panel from the inside, which holds the three 120mm LL RGB fans, which has full spectrum RGB on this unit. Opening that, you get the magnetic dust filter, which is a classy design as this is on the inside and you don't need to remove the panels each time like the older 460X models. The top panel is however removable by unscrewing the screws on top, and you can also reduce the height by changing the bushes provided to keep it sleeker if there is a need. Even the top mesh is accessible from the inside with these similar screw layout with the magnetic filters here too. The upgrade is pretty useful. You can also add dual 120mm fans if need be and supports 280 or 360mm radiator in the front of the panel. Now for me, I had a 120mm radiator which I could fit easily on the top. Unlike other models, this comes with an offset area for easy install. On top in the front you have the I/O. From the right you get the power button, then the headphone jack, then the microphone jack, one Type-C USB 3.1 port, two USB 3 ports and a reset button is present as well. On top and bottom both you get dual 120 or 140mm fan support or a 240 or 280mm radiator. It also supports GPUs up to 330mm at the back. You get 120mm fan slot and 8 standard and 2 vertical expansion slots for that vertical GPU mounting is also available, and also supports 180mm CPU coolers. You may be wondering where are all the hard drives and the power supply. It's at the back. Yes, there is a compartment which holds all these. The power supply slot which can hold up to 225mm easily. I have installed a Corsair RM750X. It holds it in a vertical mount though, which is nice, and comes with a removable dust filter too at the bottom. Also, there are these bushes that keep your case elevated, allowing plenty of airflow. The back side panels comes with these thumb screws and they stay fit like other cases, which is a good design, and you have all the wires coming in at the back with ample space for cable management. And for the internals you get three 3.5-inch drive bays and four 2.5-inch SSD bays, which you can slide out from the back for ease of use. Now you get a large cutout for motherboard, allows for easy CPU cooler install when needed, but has rubber vents and clean cutouts here with a lot of zip tie slots for cable management. There's also a large push at the bottom for very good airflow too, and this case supports iCUE, so it can be directly controlled from the software and no more button presses required like the older generations. All you need is RGB fans across and they do the rest for you. You get complete full spectrum lighting with countless amounts of presets and vibrant colors at the click of a button. Now, just some final words. If you have the money for this, just go for it. You won't regret one bit. They are the future of cabinets and we'll likely see more such sexy cabinets from Corsair coming very soon. So guys, what do you think about the Corsair 680X RGB? Did you like it, hate it, whatever it is, tell me in the comment sections below. And this is Bharat signing off.